Hi, I'm Danny, and today I'll be teaching the basic fact thinking strategies for multiplication. There are many basic facts, and today I have chosen to represent doubles. The learning objectives for my lesson is for children to understand the facts of 2 by doubling each number. This is also an interactive activity, as children are able to visually see the equation they are making by writing it on the board as well as seeing it on the paper. Children are able to demonstrate their own learning by creating their own folds in the paper and their own holes to create the equation. This lesson links to Auswell's in Level 2 under Number and Place Value, as it says, recognise and represent multiplication as repeated addition, groups and arrays. The prior knowledge that children would have to have is an understanding in addition. Children would also have to understand the concept of groups of, as the folds in the paper represent each group. Okay, so to explain my activity, I would get a piece of paper and I would fold it in half. This represents the group. Okay, when I put a hole in the paper, that represents one hole, and when I open the paper, that represents 2. So the first hole has now doubled to 2. So to write that as an equation, I would write 1 times 2 equals 2. Number 1 representing the first hole, and then as I open the paper, it equals 2 holes. So altogether there are 2 holes in the paper. So Zoe, if you put another hole in that paper, okay. So Zoe, you've got 2 holes. Now open it up. How many holes do you have now?
4.
And how did you know that you've got 4 holes?
Because I doubled 2.
Double 2. So, to represent this as an equation, we would do 2 holes doubled by another 2 holes when we open the paper, and it equals 4. The paper also represents groups of, as the first sheet is groups of 1, and when you're opening it, it shows 2 groups of 2. So that's another way of saying that 2 groups of 2 equals 4. So from this, children are able to go into their own small groups with their own hole punch and create their own equations using their piece of paper and doubling the number. Just like that. Thank you.